Shangrongshalo MHN Northeast Advisor eba Tripura hasteni interlocutor Mishra be Malaimani Yakulo Fashala hasteo Kiphilkha faika kebengne bodolni Ojama Onimes de Burma tei IPFT ni Montri Shukla Choron Nuatia Fiaba Tripura hani lukurongni bagai tuboi faimanlia kaham koktoma Tipra lente high level morality committee no tuyoi Shangrongshalo Ministry of Home Affairs ni Northeast Advisor eba Tripura hasteni interlocutor Mishra be Malaika IPFT bodolni Ojamarok Malaimani jorawo Tipra lente Tipra sharongni bagai nangmani manthai shok thairong no tuyoi Mishra be kok shalaika IPFT ni Ojamarok bo bai kok shalaimani jorawo tongkha IPFT ni haste ajukphang Prem Kumar Riang haste tangphang Shopon de Burma IPFT ni AGS Montri Shukla Choron Nuatia Advisory Committee ni Ojama Krishnokanto Jomatia akoshong Abo Kheno Ministry of Home Affairs ni Northeast Advisor eba Tripura hasteni interlocutor Mishra be Malaika Tipra Mothani Ojamarok Tipra Mothani shanmungrong no kai somoi khanaka MHN officials Ojamarok Shangrongshalo MHN Northeast Advisor eba Tripura hasteni interlocutor Mishra be Malaimani Yakulo Fashala hasteo Kiphilkha faika kebengne bodolni Ojama Onimes de Burma tei IPFT ni Montri Shukla Choron Nuatia Fiaba Tripura hani lukurongni bagai tuboi faimanlia kaham koktoma Monaksak IPFT tei Tipra Mothani netarongni mukhang koktoma thumnairongni firong rumani jorawo koriborongni khuko khatungjang kaisa firongmu
On behalf of our IPFT party, we have attended meeting. Honorable Notice Advisor Mr. P
What was the main agenda?
Just previous 5 years we have coalition government with the many issue we have submitted and regarding the last previous 5 years. Our honorable late MC therefore some agenda was passed in cabinet. That matter we just discussed.
Was Tipra in that?
It is our core demand.
You raised that issue?
We discussed regarding our separate issue.
Thank you.
We have met the advisor of Government of India, Northeast Affair, Mr. Yakulo. And then our core demand we have placed before. Definitely he is going to convey the same to the Union government. That's end of it.
But the same issue was already brought before the Union Home Minister. So what is the development of this meeting?
Definitely there is development. Otherwise, why meeting after meeting will take place? Things will get good shape. Things are progressing.
Is it output of the threat that the Tipra Motha has said that they will block the roads and other things?
You see, blocking the road is part of the democratic protest. If required, we will do so. But since the talk is going, let it happen, let it go. We will see that what we can do next. But as of now, we have placed our demand through the advisor of Northeast Affairs. Let us see.
Sir, a minister was there in the meeting or he had met separately?
Minister was not
Yeah.
with the Government of India officials.
No, Tripura's Minister Shukla Choron was also...
See, they had different. We had different. And other groups are also having.
what do you mean by other groups?
Samaj Prati.
Okay, Samaj Prati. So we found that after around 6 years later, IPFT has again raised the issue on this, and they have met in Delhi when you people are also meeting. Is it politically significant, sir?
We are politicians and everything is part of politics.
Everything is.
Shabono poito chasinai, shabono baya farsinai, jobani sheng, komorna ni faisingo daboksa, ohani Tipra shabosong, aboni bagai hai no hai, Tipra sharongni khogo azai jak dabo, thuibai ohani kothoma shuinai ro, bufuro azai shinai hunoi. Raja Khoraguli nishimi pronomni kokthum, Chini Khorang.